The killing of a pregnant elephant in Kerala has sent shockwaves across the country. The wild elephant had wandered out in search of food and was grievously injured after she allegedly bit into a fruit stuffed with firecrackers meant for trapping wild boars. The elephant's upper and lower jaws, as well as her tongue, were mangled. After days of excruciating pain, the elephant succumbed to her injuries and died standing in a river. The incident has triggered massive outrage. An FIR has been filed against unidentified persons, even as calls for stronger laws to protect wildlife echoed across the nation.